Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
We'd like to join all men of goodwill and indeed the governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oburewuri, in wishing a happy birthday to a great son of the Niger Delta, Chief Dr. Daniel Omoyibo, Chairman, Danmotech Group, on his 55th birthday. Danmotech, as is popularly known, is a big player in the oil and gas industry, hospitality sector, and several other businesses. But what is by far his biggest commitment to humanity is his demonstration of love and dedication to the well-being of his fellow man. This, over the years, has been on display through his philanthropic activities and empowerment programs in support of thousands of people. As you celebrate your 55th birthday, we say more grease to your elbow, and may God continue to bless you as you bless others.
Inside the Niger Delta,